In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and install Menyoo 2.0 for GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Menyoo is by far one of the best mod menus for GTA 5. It lets you spawn cars, change the weather, teleport, and unlock a ton of cool abilities. Just keep in mind, it's only going to work in GTA 5 Legacy and Story Mode only. Never try to use this in GTA Online, or you obviously risk getting banned. Now, first things first, what you are going to want to do, though, is actually close out of GTA 5 if you have it open, and go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, and go specifically to gta5-mods.com. Once you're in here, you're going to see a search bar up in the top right. Go ahead and type in Menyoo, spelled exactly like that, and hit enter. And you're going to want to look for this Menyoo 2.0 Enhanced and Legacy option. Select this, and you're going to see that download button. Hit it, and then you're going to see another download button. Hit that again, and once it does download that zip file for you, just drag it onto your desktop, just like so. This is mine right here. Now, in order to actually run this, you are going to need to get script hook v as well. You can access that through dev-c.com or just screenshot this just like so, and just scroll down and you're going to see a download option on here. Download that, and then once again, drag that zip file onto your desktop. Mine is right here. Now, once you are on here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up your GTA 5 installation folder. To do this, open up either, Steam or Epic Games or even the Rockstar launcher. The steps are pretty much the exact same. Just open it up, and once you are in here, go ahead and go to your library, find GTA 5, hit the three dots on it, hit manage, and then go to the installation folder, or just follow this file path right here. Once you're on this option, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is begin by installing script hook v. So open up the script hook v zip file, and you're going to see a few different things in here. Open up the bin folder, and you're going to see 3 different files with a DLL file in here. Go ahead and one by one just drag all these files in here. They're already in here for me, so I'm not going to do it again. Just drag them all in just like so. And once you do that, close out of this, and you're going to want to pretty much do the exact same thing with the Menyoo folder. So open it up, and once you are in here, find the Menyoo ASI folder, drag that in, and then from here also drag the Menyoo stuff file folder in here as well. At that point, Menyoo is going to be fully installed. Now, before even launching the game, what you're going to want to do is actually go to the Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings, and then scroll down until you see BattleEye. Just go ahead and tick this off. You do not want this on. Otherwise, there's that chance that you get banned. So keep that in mind. But what you're going to want to do next is actually launch your game through, whatever program it might be, whether it's Rockstar Games Launcher, whether it's Epic Games Launcher, or whether it's Steam. And once you are in here, load into story mode, and whenever you're in game, just press F8 on your keyboard to open the Menyoo menu. From here, you can spawn vehicles, change the weather and time, teleport, use player abilities. It really is up to you what you do, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys are having any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video, though, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.